What do you think, Maya? What are you going to say to Maya, Xander? What are you going to say to her? She's making you smile.
What? Videotape.
What are you going to say? What are you going to say to Maya?
What a smile.
What a big smile, Xander. Where's Xander, Maya?
Is that her tummy?
No, it's her nose. She can't breathe through it. Really?
That's good.
Let me see. Let me see the picture.
Can he get you, Xander? Can he get
Very
you,
good.
Xander?
Can I go back?
I'm going to videotape.
Oh,
Yes.
really?
I want to videotape. Can I videotape?
Maya, you gonna say hi to Xander? Yeah? You gonna sniff his hand? Really?
How do you zoom out? Can you zoom in or zoom out?
With what, video?
Yeah.
Not with video.
Leave it, Boomer.
You can with
Leave
pictures,
it.
not with video. Video zooms it. Video starts off pretty close for some reason.
Leave it.
Hey, Boomer, leave it.
Boomer, that's horrible. What'd you eat today?
Xander, what are you saying to Maya? What are you saying to Maya?
Oh, what? Maya.
What? It's okay.
Hey
Make him
there.
better.
Hey there.
Are you okay?
Sydney. Sydney.
He has a little hair on the back of him.
That's okay.
This is rat tail.
What?
Oh. He has a rat tail.
Good boy, Boomer. Good boy.
Mom, Xander has a rat tail.
I know. Nice try. Oh.
Boomer.
Oh, Boomer.
Boomer, leave it. Boomer, leave it.
Leave it.
Hey, leave it.
Boy. What? Yeah. Leave it.
That's it.
Two fingers are so tasty.
Sit down. Good, Sid.
I'm taking a video for you, Mom.
Thank you, honey.
Xander.
I know you want to play with the baby. I know you don't mean any harm, but you're too big and stupid right now.
Xander.
Xander is looking at the camera.
Yes, he does.
Boomer down. Good.
This is how you speak to Maya. That's not very nice. Not very nice at all. I'm keeping my eye on you, April. Well, I mean, videotaping it.
You really want that bone, Maya? I don't think you're going to eat it.
Can you make it up here? Get it set.
Drooly, drooly.
That's probably hers. You're not going to give it back, are you? Are you, Maya?
You're very drooly.
You have lots of pictures.
Come on, Cindy. Make me laugh. Oh.